So this is where I take over.
This is where Greg gets to take over.
So this is the portion of the podcast where I talk to Matt, and it's called This or That. So Matt has two choices in this. You can't make up a different choice, add a bunch of things. We may be a little muddy. We may get a little wild with it, but we'll see. So for Matt, it's this or that. So he kind of cheated this time, and you got to see him.
I actually haven't read them.
But he said he hasn't read them.
This is normal for me. I don't prepare.
We're going to do this anyway. So Matt, number one, you get a call to clean up fecal matter, or you receive a customer complaint, and you can't send Keenan. For those of you that don't know, he's our warehouse guy. So you get a customer complaint, or you have to clean up fecal matter.
I would rather receive a customer complaint.
Bingo, same one.
Yeah.
We can handle a customer complaint. I could handle fecal matter too, but I'm calling.
Yeah, a complaint is an opportunity. It should be an opportunity.
So is cleaning up fecal matter, but
an opportunity to get a disease. Yeah.
Okay. Get hepatitis. All right. Number two, cleaning an underbid account that produces $100,000 a year, or a correctly bid account that produces $50,000 a year.
Well, obviously, I'm going to take the correctly bid account. But the trap, you know what the trap is. But I can make it work.
Yes.
I can make it work.
I'm just going to work more.
Just put me in, coach. Like, no, this is not going to work. So, well bid.
So when I read underbid, I always say you're losing every month.
You're losing every minute.
But let's say that underbid means it's 10% lower than it should be.
Well, that's not what the question was. But if it was 10% lower than it should be, then I might find a way to work on efficiencies. That would be
or you could sell extra service.
You could sell extra service.
You could make it up.
Yeah.
But I would still agree with you.
Yeah.
Correctly bid $50,000.
Yep.
Day portering or evening cleaning?
Evening cleaning.
I'm with you on that. Call first thing in the morning or call in the middle of the night. So I guess you're getting a call first thing in the morning, or a customer calling you first thing or in the middle of the night.
Call in the middle of the night.
Because you're not answering it.
No. I call in the middle of the night because they're calling because they want us to do some extra work, so we're going to make some money.
First thing in the morning, they're probably calling.
First thing in the morning, they're calling to complain. Absolutely.
Unless they're taking you to the golf course. They're like, Matt, where are you at?
That's not happening.
This is not happening.
It's not happening.
Okay. This or that, starter, closer, or sanitor?
I'm a starter.
I'm with you on that, 100%.
So, yeah, Sanitor is a great training place. Closer, I'm not young anymore. I'm not carrying around a backpack vacuum on my back for 5 hours.
And starter, you got to lead, man. You got to lead from the front.
And starter, you got to lead from the front, or nothing ever looks different.
Okay. Angry customer or angry employee / coworker?
Angry customer.
Absolutely. I'm afraid of an angry employee.
Yeah.
This day and age, no thank you.
No.
Winning the lottery or landing your dream account?
I would rather land my dream account.
Is it at the lottery?
It's not at the lottery, but I mean, it depends on what the lottery number is.
I mean, if it's like
1.8 billion, so next time you do this segment, bro,
it needs to be more.
You got to be more specific. Win lotto, and it's $500 billion, or deuces, I'm out.
I don't know what our dream account here would be. It's like all of our dream accounts we've kind of got.
All right, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to win lottery because
because then we could just reinvest.
Because look, the dream account is some, it's a huge facility but you know what comes with that? Every great deal you ever close turns into your worst nightmare of operational setup. Like you got to look at it like that. It's like, I landed this great deal.
Win the lottery, you could do.
Win the lottery. I'm going on vacation.
Okay,
go ahead.
Loose guidelines or clear directions? When I'm working with employees, my answer, clear directions.
Yeah.
As a manager, though, a lot of times you're the one that makes the clear directions out of loose guidelines.
Yeah, I mean, I would immediately go to loose guidelines because I think managers, leaders need to be given guideposts and given the ability to create.
Yes.
And find ways to solve problems. So,
yeah.
But if it's an employee, most people, the reason why they went to school and, from K through 12 is so that they can learn how to play by the rules. And so if you don't give people rules, then they don't know what to do. They become uncomfortable and do crappy work.
And the clear guidelines things, I think it's a trap because you're going to do exactly like this person said. And if it doesn't work, it's on them, not you.
Yep.
So that kind of takes the creativity and the responsibility out of it.
I like this segment. This is fun. Just make sure the fecal matter one, can we just call it?
I did not create these ones.
Oh.
I will create them next time.
We just call it what it is. Code Brown.
Code Brown.
Code Brown.